Hello Woolbuddy friends, ready to level up your needle felting skills? Today I'm sharing top tips and tricks in needle felting to help you create firmer shapes, cuter details, and more professional looking projects. Let's dive right in. First up on the list is rolling your wool tightly. Rolling your wool tightly is the key to a strong, firm needle felting base. When your wool is tightly rolled, it holds its shape better and makes felting faster and smoother. A tightly rolled core means fewer gaps and a more professional finish, so don't be afraid to put a little pressure when rolling. Tight wool makes all the difference in achieving those crisp, perfect details. Try it out for yourself with one of our Woolbuddy kits. Number 2, tips when having difficulty in forming round shapes. Are you having a hard time with felting round shapes, like spheres or heads come out looking oval, flat, or uneven? Well, here's how to fix it. After realizing that the round base you're creating doesn't look like the round base you desire, just add another wool in the middle and then wrap it around the part where it needs some volume, and then start poking on all the surface. Continuously rotate the wool while felting, applying even pressure on all sides. You can also use a multi-needle felting tool if you have, just to make your work fast, and roll it in between your palms to feel if some parts need more wool or volume. And there you have it, your perfectly round felted shape. Number 3, tips when having difficulty with fine details. Are you having a difficulty with felting small details like facial features such as the eyes? Here's how to do it. Use a fine needle for small details and felt in tiny increments. I suggest using a 38 or 40 gauge felting needle. Its finer tip allows you to add precision and definition to your needle felting projects. Always start with small amounts of wool, adding layers gradually for better control and smoother results. Build up details gradually and keep the proportions accurate. You can also add an outer lining on the eyeball to put emphasis on the eyes. And there you have it, your perfectly felted eyes. Number 4, tips when having difficulty with uneven eyes. Have you ever noticed how the eyes sometimes turn out uneven? It happens, especially when you're deep into your needle felting project. But here's a secret. Sometimes that little imperfection makes your creation even cuter. It adds so much character and personality. After all, not everything has to be perfect to be adorable. So next time, don't stress and embrace those quirky details. They might be the perfect touch to your needle felted creations. And lastly, the importance of a felting mat. If you're new to felting, you might wonder, why do I need a felting mat? Well, a felting mat is your best friend for a smooth, easy, and safe felting experience. First off, it protects your needles. No more snapping them on hard surfaces. Plus, it keeps your workspace neat and tidy. Using a felting mat also helps you get a more even finish on your projects. So if you want to take your needle felting to the next level, don't skip the mat. Here's what our customers say about us.
I love that you guys do the classes online. It's so helpful. It makes me feel like I can actually do it, and I'm very excited. And I love visiting you at Comic-Con, and hopefully we'll see you soon at other conventions.
That's it for today, Woolbuddy friends. I hope these 5 easy tips help you in transforming your needle felting projects. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from us about needle felting. And if you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description for needle felting kits and supplies from Woolbuddy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow crafters. Until next time, happy felting!